Protect edible beds from ants by creating physical and non-persistent barriers that keep ants out while keeping crops safe. Start by assessing how ants are entering the bed and remove obvious trails and nearby nests by hand to reduce recruitment. Install a weed barrier mat under walking paths around beds so ants cannot tunnel up from below, and make sure the mat extends at least 1 foot beyond the bed perimeter. Build the beds raised and fill them with pure compost or a well-aged organic mix that has no woody debris that can harbor colonies, and compact lightly to remove voids where ants can nest. Apply manual spot removal for any small nests found at the bed edge by scooping the nest and relocating it several yards away, or by exposing and allowing natural predators to act, which reduces chemical reliance. If a treatment is unavoidable, use a short-lived, natural pyrethrin product applied only to the soil surface away from harvestable foliage, and follow label instructions to minimize exposure and persistence. Maintain sanitation by removing fallen fruit and plant debris daily, and keep irrigation targeted to plant roots to avoid creating damp refuges that attract ants and hemipteran pests. Common mistakes are spraying persistent insecticides directly into edible beds, which poisons beneficial insects and leaves residues on produce, so avoid those and use non-persistent physical methods instead. Another issue is filling raised beds with mixed yard waste that contains sticks and old mulch, which creates ant habitat. Fix this by sourcing pure compost or sieving material before use. A frequent oversight is ignoring pathways and borders. Sealing gaps with barrier mat and keeping borders free of vegetative bridges solves most entry points quickly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we share project experiences and practical tips for garden pest management. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them join conversations with homeowners seeking safe, practical solutions.